Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today I got something I want to show you that might save you a few dollars, so let's get started. First of all, I want to say I apologize for the randomness of our videos coming out late. It's the holidays and I have 7 affiliate products lined up, and I'm trying to do my very best job on each affiliate, the product that I like. I try to do my very best job on each of them. So we are a bit bogged down in things, but this will be a short video. Hopefully helpful and save you some money, but it'll be short. Now, a lot of you guys are familiar with the mag mod that you can put on top of your flash to cut down, you know, on the shine, that sort of thing, kind of give it more of a softbox look. Well, those are almost $100. This is a Godox CD15. Now, I did buy this with my own money. It wasn't sent to me. I was looking for a particular shoot that I was doing, and I wanted something like this for the V100. But there's one thing you need to know. When you have this and you put it on your flash, don't bend it forward and point it straight at them. If you do, you'll get pictures that look like this. I'm showing them to you right now. They look a little bit like there's a glare, almost like some sun glare, a little bit of weird softness and some odd colors. So do not point it straight at your client like this. Point it straight up, and you can see the difference. This ring is like thicker, and this up here. So I don't know what necessarily caused it to go wrong, because in my head, I'm thinking that would be the easiest way, but the only way that it actually worked and looked good was to shoot it straight up in the air and let this act as a softbox and just have your flash pointing straight toward the ceiling. This, you can get about $24, $25. The mag model, easy for me to say, the mag mod one is about $100 almost. So quite a bit of savings you can get in there. And this does. So now, just to be clear, when you get your flash, this is the V100, it'll come with a ring like this on top of it. You take this and you slide it around the edge. All right, so now once you've got that on, there is a lock right here. Just turn this and lock it. So now it's locked into place. And don't shoot your client this direction. Point it up, straight up the ceiling. Let this do all the work. TTL will keep up with it if you do that. But if you go this way, you're going to run into problems. This is the way to do it. So anyway, and it's real simple to take off too. So anyway, guys, just wanted to show you the demo of that so you know exactly what I was talking about. And this does work really well once you learn to point it straight at the ceiling. I learned that like I learned everything else the hard way. But no, it didn't mess up anything. I was about 2 or 3 pictures into the shoot. I had got there early because I knew I was going to test this. And I'm glad I did, because I saw what was going on. But as soon as I pointed it straight up, life was good again. So for $75 less, you can get a Godox ML CD15 over the mag mod version, and it'll look great. I'll show you a picture right now that I shot with this straight up. So anyway, guys, that is it. Quick video today. We'll be back the rest of the week with videos. We've got Christmas and a bunch of holidays, and it's going to be hectic. So it's going to be kind of day by day on when the videos come out. But I do have a lot of affiliate videos that I need to get out very soon. I appreciate you guys. And if you're looking for a good way to save money, if you like shooting with your flash on your camera, try one of these and put it up and just shoot it straight up at the ceiling and let it do its thing. And it looks pretty good. And it saves you a lot of money with a mag mod. Appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a great one. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks.